Short-form video is dominating the social media landscape, and many marketers want to get a piece of the action. One question remains: which platform is better for my business? Ultimately, the answer hinges on several factors. First, who is your target audience? YouTube and TikTok boast diverse audiences, but TikTok commands a younger, predominantly female audience. YouTube, on the other hand, is popular across multiple age groups. To state the obvious, you should prioritize the platform that will reach your audience. Second, what type of content do you want to make? Does it lend itself more to lighthearted, snappy videos or longer, more in-depth ones? Are 15 seconds long enough to convey your message, or do you need more time? Lastly, it's important to consider your budget. YouTube offers more flexibility in choosing a daily budget. And, since it follows a cost-per-view pricing model, you only pay when a user takes action. To run a campaign on TikTok, you must commit to a daily budget of $50, which quickly adds up. With these questions in mind, you have a better idea of which platform is right for your business. But remember, marketing is all about experimentation. You don't need to commit to one platform right away. In fact, it may be useful to run side experiments on both to see what results you get. I made this video because I bumped into the person I consider the best at YouTube, paid and organic, and he was able to break it all down for me. I instantly fell in love with what he was showing me and how his unique EDR system pulls out data-driven results. Yes. Sales. And what's better is, anyone can do and use this, and I will be starting next week. It is the most insane thing I have ever seen, and even if you are brand new, you can use it and conquer one of the best traffic sources. We're going live on Thursday, so you better join me to find out. Check the pinned comment or leave a comment below if you are interested. This will be epic, so don't miss it.